Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube recap not showing on your device. The first thing you should do is update the YouTube app. Open the Play Store if you are on Android or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. Search for YouTube and check if you see an update button. If there is an update available, install it. Updating the app makes sure you have the newest features. After this, open the YouTube app again and see if the recap appears on your homepage. If you do not see it on the homepage, try going to the library section inside the app. Tap on the profile pic at the bottom right. Sometimes the recap shows up in this section even when it does not appear on the main page. If it still does not show, you can try viewing it through your browser. Open any browser like Chrome or Safari and type youtube.com/recap. Press enter. This link takes you directly to the recap page. Many users can access their recap here even when the app has not updated for them yet. If you still cannot see your YouTube recap, then your account may not have it yet. YouTube rolls out the recap feature slowly and not everyone gets it at the same time. In this case, the only thing you can do is wait. YouTube will add it to your account once the rollout reaches your region. Thanks for watching.